I want you to squat down and pick it up and then throw it to me. Okay, you think you can do it? You ready? Roll it. Good. Stand up. Good. And throw. That
You
was
are
one.
good.
Ready? Here it comes again. Much better. Good. Ready?
She's good.
Good. Better. Very good.
Yeah.
Oh! Good save. 4. Oh, sorry. That was a bad roll. I can't roll it straight. What's wrong with me? Oh, there you go. That was better. Very good. Couple more. Oops. Oops. I'll do that again. My fault. It's just doing like a curveball, huh? Good spots. Oh, here it comes. Oh. You're gonna stay like that? Yeah. Okay. It's a little bit strengthening then.
Right. Glutes.
Yeah. Okay, you can bounce it. You wanna bounce it where? Oh, hot potato? I haven't played hot potato in a really long time. You want me to bounce it to you? You ready? Whoa! Good bouncing. Uh-oh. Here it comes.
Are you not holding?
Good job. Oh no!
Oh!
Ah.
Support is there in case, but
They're ready. A couple more, and then we're gonna do some kicking. Okay? Let's see how hard you can kick it. Good job.
Say, look, Big Ma, I'm throwing it.
All right, ready? Last one. You're gonna stand up after this one. Okay? Oh, can you do it? Stand up. Ready? Good job. Not bad. Okay. All right. You think you can score a goal? Ready? You get tired? Are your legs tired? No? Okay.
All right.
Oh, here it comes. Whoa! That was a big kick! Here,
All right,
ready?
use your right leg too.
Yep, can you try the other foot? Good. Try. Good.
Wow. Well, hey, that was